Hi, in this video I try show you my way to uninstall Node-RED on Debian 12. Let's go to the terminal. For the first, stop the current session of Node-RED, press Command and C on your keyboard and type sudo npm uninstall -g Node-RED. Okay, removed packages and check the Node-RED is uninstalled. Use command Node-RED. Okay, Node-RED is uninstalled. Also, you can uninstall Node.js and npm. For the first, you can check the installed version of these modules. Type Node.js -v and npm -v. We have installed this version. And to uninstall these packages, these modules, you can write sudo apt remove Node.js and npm. Yes. Okay, check again. The packages is removed. Okay. The packages is not installed. Also, you can remove all data created by Node-RED. You can check that the Node-RED folder exists. You can type ls. This show the not hidden folders. For the show the hidden folders, you can type ls-a. The Node-RED exists. The Node-RED folder exists. For the remove this folder, disclaimer, this command can be undone. It's important. To remove all data created by Node-RED, your all placed nodes, all wrote code in admin dashboard, you lose them. So type rm-r.node-red. Again, check that the folder exists. It's not exist. We removed them. Thanks for watching.